For many finance teams, everyday FP&A tasks still require switching screens, navigating folders, and manually digging for answers. Meet Drive AI, your built-in FP&A Copilot in Drivetrain. With Drive AI, you can create a report, check access, or query data much faster, just by asking in plain English. Let's start with creating a report. Simply describe what you need. For example, create a headcount dashboard with KPI and line charts showing trends. Drive AI builds the report using the relevant metrics from your workspace. If you want to refine it, just follow up with add attrition and employee retention metrics. The report updates instantly, no clicks, no setup, and you can still edit it manually anytime. Next, Drive AI helps you manage access easily. Ask, who has access to the headcount dashboard? You'll get precise, permission-aware answers that respect your workspace's access controls. If you need quick data without opening your models or reports, just ask, show operating expenses by department in Q1 2025 from the board-approved budget version. Drive AI returns a structured data table with clear source references, so you always know where your numbers come from. You can even open reports, models, or metrics directly through Drive AI. Say, open the Headcount and Payroll Analytics report. No need to manually navigate your workspace or search through folders. Here's another. Show me the sales rep model, and Drive AI takes you there instantly. Drive AI is also your on-demand help desk. Ask, how do I create a variance waterfall chart? You'll get step-by-step instructions, plus links to the right knowledge base articles. You can also refine requests in the same chat, or start a new conversation anytime by clicking the plus icon and ask, how do I add a NetSuite connector? Finally, use Drive AI to instantly summarize variances for any table in a report. Just click the Drive AI icon. You can fine-tune the tone and style, shorten, elaborate, or regenerate with a click, or type, summarize this table in board-level language and shorten it. Add emojis for large variances. With Drive AI, your entire FP&A workflow becomes faster, smarter, and more intuitive. That's the power of Drive AI, your FP&A Copilot built right into Drivetrain.